Hello family, welcome to another Vlogmas day 3. And if this food is entering your eye guys, then stick to this video, okay? So recently I've been craving white soup, aka Ofe Nsala. It's been a while I had it or prepared it, and I decided to use this remaining yam in my kitchen. I was tired of frying and boiling it, so I said okay, let's make white soup. First I started by boiling my protein, which is goat meat and stockfish. I added seasoning cubes, salt to taste, and this is a blend of yellow pepper, garlic, and ogiri. I mixed everything together and allowed the meat to steam and let the juice come out. Then added more water for the meat to cook properly. Then I peeled my yam and sliced it into tiny chunks and poured them into the meat stock for it to boil. I also added my oyayak spice. This is also used for pepper soup and any other soup you would like to add. It is so nice and it gives flavor to the soup. So the yam is soft and I'm taking them out to pound. I also took out the oyayak spice because at this point the flavor has gone into the soup and it is not needed again. I tasted and adjusted the seasoning. I also added opehe, and this is my dried fish going into it. I allowed to cook. Then this is me pounding the yam, and after some minutes the yam is ready to go into the soup. You can add as much as you want the consistency of the soup to be. If you want it very thick, you can add more, but white soup is not usually thick. Okay, so this is me stirring it together after letting it boil for a few minutes, and it's blended. And this is me adding uziza leaves. Oh, by the way, I added uziza seeds before now. I forgot to mention. So I let it boil and the soup is ready, guys. This is it. It tasted so good, like so good. After that day, I'm like, wait, I've not prepared white soup like this, so delicious like this in my life. And since after that day, I've been craving for Ofe Nsala, guys. Let me know if you will try this, okay? So this is another day, guys. You may be wondering why my face is like this, like who offended me? So usually after my monthly period, I take this concoction that I make with my sister and we take it together. Sometimes it comes with pains, sometimes it's smooth, but regardless, I just take this sometimes to cleanse my system. Feel free to call me herbalist. So it's basically a combination of lime, ginger, garlic, cloves, turmeric, and yeah, that's all basically. So I'm just prepping to pound them and boil them. I was so tired and feeling sleepy doing this. Like I just finished editing and I had a lot of things to do against the next day, so I just had to drag myself to prepare it because I got the items the day before and they were still fresh. I didn't want them to lose the freshness. So these are the cloves. I'm just rinsing them to pound.
Yeah, now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I'll be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Oh, baby, I don't know. I think I'm scared of falling.
So it's time to add water into the mixture and let it boil. By the way, the price of water has gone down. If you watched my previous video, I mentioned that a bag of water was sold for 1000 naira. It hasn't really dropped, but it is now 600 naira per bag from the retailers, and the truck people sell the bag for 500 naira. Yes, so it's 300 naira, 350 in some places, but for us to buy 500 naira per bag, it's still expensive. It's still expensive, and well, we move regardless. And I've added water into the mixture and covered. I'm going to let it boil, and that's it. So after it cooked, I brought it down and went to bed. Guys, this is not my real face. It is not. At this point, I can't explain. So good night. Now this is the concoction, and I'm just going to taste it. Before I had breakfast the next day, I decided to drink it, and ew, it's not really bad, The feeling of ginger and lemon kind of elevated the taste. Even the cloves in it gave the drink flavor, but the garlic and turmeric is just off kind of. Well, I made sure everyone in my house took it. Let me know if you enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.